over the last 3 months, we've generated $1 million in revenue just on people responding and direct booking right into AutoLeap. I would not leave AutoLeap for another point of sale because I believe that they're a good program. So my name is Jeff Hall. I have 6 automotive repair shops in Ontario. We started our first shop in 2007. We run a software called Janko. It worked, a little bit older, but I think one of the biggest benefits of switching to a company like AutoLeap is being able to look at all shops in real time without having to click in and out, and just having everything at a glance, not having to, go back and forth is really huge for us.
With our previous point of sale, if there was ever any issues, there was a phone number we could call, and 25% of the time you would get someone that answers. The rest of the time you just have to leave a message. So having a success manager such as Julia has been so amazing. I can text her, call her with whatever I need, and if she can't get back to me quick enough, support is just one message away. I can't say enough good things about them. I've never had one person on the chat that hasn't been able to resolve my issue.
One of the cool things we were able to do with AutoLeap that we could have never did with other point of sales is when we send flyers, we're able to use a QR code. So the customer receives a flyer in their mailbox, they look at it. If they like the offer, they scan the QR code, and they now can book an appointment direct in AutoLeap. Using the QR code, we now can know, hey, we sent 100,000 flyers out, this many people direct book through AutoLeap. We're just scratching the surface with what we think we can do with AutoLeap. They're very progressive. They work very closely with us to develop new things that make us better, make us more nimble.
So on a day-to-day basis, I'm using AutoLeap to help pull the daily reports I send every day, as well as checking in on our stores and how our staff are doing. Being able to navigate from store to store super quick is amazing. I also deal with the CRM marketing campaigns. So AutoLeap is truly an all-in-one platform. Launching the CRM campaigns with AutoLeap is so easy. My dad and I figure out which customers we want to target, what offer we want to send out, and then I reach out to Julia, and her team are able to segment the proper customers, extract whatever data we need, and really make the process seamless.
AutoLeap is definitely a program that you can use to scale your business, just based on the fact that there's some different prompts and incorporations that makes newer employees be able to use it as well as older employees. Favorite part of AutoLeap would probably be the Motorworks integration, where you have the ability to not have to bounce between programs in order to look up labor times, and makes your life a little bit easier and faster. Also keeps it standardized so that you're not having different opinions across the board. It's all being looked after as the same.
I like the CAN services because it makes it much more simpler. It's much more simple for us to get things onto the work order. We have the CAN services so that we can have our customers come through the shop. They know exact prices that they're going to get on their services, like oil changes, transmission services, coolant flushes, anything along those lines.
So yeah, if you're on the fence about switching to AutoLeap, I would definitely recommend taking the jump.